I'm Ritherdon, the MD at Ritherdon's. We're the manufacturing partner and project coordinator for the mini RoboFab team. The Better Factory KTs allowed us to experiment with robot-human collaboration, but also new digital systems for improving data capture and analysis here in our factory in Darwin in the UK.
Hello, I'm Nicola Ellis. I'm a visual artist based in Manchester in the UK. I'm the artist taking part in the Better Factory KTE mini RoboFab. My role in the experiment has been to develop new powder coating finishes which will expand the current selection on offer to Ritherdon customers. In the process of developing the new powder coating finishes, a way to recycle combined colour waste powder coating back into the powdering process has been developed. This new material cycle means less waste powder leaves the factory. Also, innovations in the combination and application of powder coating in this project has resulted in more visually interesting finishes to apply to products. These innovations also enable slight variations in colour and texture, which generates a bespoke finish on every product it is applied to.
Hi, I'm Sumya, the CEO of Digiotouch. In this experiment, Digiotouch acts as the technology provider. We have developed some software tools for improved as well as secure data collection from the factory floor. And then we are utilizing Better Factory applications and the RAM platform for data visualization and resource optimization.
This is the robot that we've acquired for the experiment. We've built the robot cell in line with our manual production operations. We typically make our products in small batches and we want to see whether the robot cell can still improve workflow through the factory and reduce labour times.
Our user-friendly software tracks the job start and end time for both the manual welding as well as the arc welding robot jobs. In a sense, this gives Ritherdon some ideas and insights on how much time is saved using the arc welding robot.
Most of our products are finished with a coloured powder coating. However, the powder coating plant currently wastes up to 40% of the powder that it uses. So with the help of Nicola and Sumya, we're exploring ways of reducing that waste, managing our stocks of powder more efficiently, and creating a new, greener and more interesting finishes for our customers.
For this part, our solution tracks how much color is used in each process of powder coating and how much powder is reclaimed at the end of the process. So using such historical data and machine learning process, we're actually able to predict how much powder we reclaim in successive future weeks. So therefore, there are two benefits of Ritherdon for this process. So not only they are able to analyze how much waste powder they are using in the process, as well as they can purchase this amount of color inventory. That means it has a cost reduction overall for Ritherdon.
Thank you, Better Factory.